Hey friends, welcome to Lean and Clean with Fitness Chef Christine. I am Christine, your host, and today I'm going to continue our journey on the elimination diet. So I'm on day 2 of the elimination diet, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the struggles of day 1. So if you're doing this with me, you may be feeling some of the same things, or if you're looking forward to doing it, you'll know what to expect. First day I always find is the hardest. So going through that change in routine is always difficult for me. Giving up bread, which I absolutely love, okay? To be clear with this, I owned a bakery for a very long time, and bread is my specialty, and I love it. Sourdough bread, Italian bread, doesn't it? I love it all. But I have been bloating out, looking like I'm pregnant, so we need to do something. So I eliminated that. And then I eliminated dairy, because that's another thing that can clog up your insides. And then no sugar. So those are the top 3 things that can really activate your gut and make things not so pretty. So I started there, and then I'll do that for 6 weeks, and then I'll slowly add some things back and take some things away, and we'll continue on that journey. So if your first day was difficult, hang tough, because my friend, it does get easier. So day 2 has been easier, but what happens is because you're not eating all the things that you're used to eating, like the bread, which keeps you full, I am hungry, so hungry. I've been feeling like I need to eat all day long. So I grabbed out my trusty water jug and I'm drinking to help me feel more full and so you don't go crazy. But give yourself a little bit of grace in the beginning, because just know that you're going to be more hungry. And it's okay to really stack up on that protein. It's going to help a whole lot, and bulk up with those veggies. All right. So one of the first things to do in the morning is to start the day out. So we started out with this. I took a frozen banana. I'm going to add a tablespoon of unsweetened peanut butter. Pop that bad boy in there. And then I'm going to add a tablespoon of chia seed right in there. And then a cup of frozen berries. I'm using blueberries because that feels the best in my gut. I don't really do well with like raspberries or strawberries. I tend to get highs. So I have such a sensitive little mod. Okay, here we go. We're going to add a cup of frozen berries to our banana and our peanut butter. And then we're going to add 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, because remember, we're staying away from dairy. So top that. I like mine a little on the soupy side. I don't like it when it's too thick. So that's my personal preference. You obviously can do whatever you like. And go ahead and add some ice in there because I like it nice and frothy. And then you can blend it up, and you can do it as a smoothie bowl, keep it nice and thick, or you can do it as a drinkable smoothie. That's your choice. So this will be a more drinkable smoothie. That's why I added as much almond milk as I did. But you can choose how you want to do it. And if you're doing it as a smoothie bowl, then you can top it with all kinds of things like unsweetened coconut and nuts and whatever. I'm going to blend this up, and I'll show you what it looks like. I'm back with my purple smoothie, and it's really great. Got the nice little sweetness from the blueberries and the banana, and then a little bit of that kick of the peanut butter. If you don't like that combination, you can leave the peanut butter right out. I like it. The chia seeds add extra protein to it. But if you need, as well, the peanut butter adds extra protein and fat. But if you feel like you need to omit the peanut butter, then I would add about 1 scoop of protein powder. That's vegan protein powder. You're not getting the dairy in there. And then proceed as normal. Let's talk about lunch. What I have for lunch. Today I had a lettuce wrap. So I had lettuce with a little bit of shaved apple and some sliced turkey. And then I had nectarine on the side. And then, of course, I know this sounds crazy, I always have tomato pickles. Tomato pickles make it gut happy. That's what I do. And then for tonight, I have a quinoa bowl with some grilled fish and asparagus on the side. But it's not even an idea of what I'm doing to stay away from dairy and stay away from gluten and stay away from sugar. So it's very doable. Just think, half a plate of veggies, lots of good protein, get a couple fruits in there, get that good old fermented foods in there, and you are good to go. I hope you try your smoothie. It's really delicious, and it's a great way to start the day and take it with you. Sometimes I prefer to have smoothie bowls because I just like to eat stuff. So you choose. Either way, I hope you love it. Let me know how your journey is going, or when you choose to start, or if you started. I always want to hear we do it together. All right, my loves, take care. Make sure that you subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Take a look at previous episodes if you need more information on what we're doing. And as always, keep moving, keep hydrating, and keep fueling your body. Make sure to leave us a review. Sending you love.